fascinated by all these horseflies. We take a closer look. I think we have to clean this out. This is just from today. Welcome to Canada in summertime. We have to get quickly into the truck because you will always get one or two of them inside. They're not very aggressive though, but when they bite, they bite. Alright, you have to check the moment. When you see a gap opening up in this cloud of insects, you just jump into the truck. I think it's now. Ah, yo!
I think it stings, that's why they're there.
I got 1, 2 in here. Okay, we have to drive. First we have to drive more than 20 or 30 clicks because then they are left behind, and the two guys inside here, we use them later when we are driving so that we don't exchange them for for other ones. 2 out and 4 in or something like this. That would not be a good deal. Yeah.